All right, so we are working on three-digit addition, and we're regrouping the ones place. So we're just working on that ones place, but sometimes we also know that we can regroup the tens into the hundreds place. Scholars, there are 213 people. So I always like to write the number 213 if I'm listening to a story to help me remember. So in our hundreds place, we have, please show me down low, how many hundreds do we have? If you have 2, you are correct. So we represent that by drawing squares. How many do we have in our tens place? Please show me down low. 1 is correct, and we represent that with just a straight 10 stick. And in our ones place, 3. Is anyone confused on how I drew that piece? Okay. There are 213 people at a show on Friday and 156 people at the show on Saturday. How many people were at the show on Saturday and Sunday? Have children draw quick pictures to show how they solve the problem. So we know there's 213 people on Friday, and how many were on Saturday?
156.
Very good listening. So I always need to write it down or I'll forget. That's why I have so many sticky notes. So we show that by drawing 100 or a square. 5 tens, 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Oh, this doesn't even have regrouping, does it? 6, 7, 8, 9 would go in my ones place. How many goes in my tens place? 7? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And how many goes in my hundreds? 3. So what is, please write this label. Sum or total? If you could please copy the math mountain that I'm going to be drawing in the upper right-hand corner. We know that there was 213 people on Friday night, 156 people on Saturday night. And the question asks, how many people were at the show on both nights? And we got our sum of 369. We didn't even need to regroup for that one. Now, scholars, it is important that we start drawing these math mountains to help us with our equations, because we know we can do a vertical equation, which is my favorite, but some people like horizontal, and we're going to be proceeding in chapter 6 on, okay, 369 people went to a show. 213 people went on Friday. How many people went on Saturday? So they're going to start changing the questions. So I really would love to see some math mountains because it's going to help you later on in chapter 6. That's why it's very important to listen to the questions they ask in the word problems. That's how it's going to get more challenging. Bless you. Are there any questions on how I solved this? Okay.